I just arrived to the Changi airport, Terminal 1. I'm flying to Kuala Lumpur. I'm supposed to fly to Bali today from the Terminal 4 by AirAsia, but I rescheduled it. I'm flying for a few days to Kuala Lumpur. My friend yesterday called me, are you going to Kuala Lumpur while you are in Singapore? I was saying, I already have a flight, but okay, why not? I will go for a few days, still better than something new to film. However, I'm not filming much of the airport today because I'm gonna do it when I'm coming back from Malaysia in next upcoming few days, because I will still have to come back to Singapore because I just rescheduled my flight. So I will make a totally dedicated video about the Changi airport in the next few days. But now I just gonna see you when I arrive, probably in Kuala Lumpur. I have also many things to do. I have to edit video, and I have 3 hours before my departure. By the way, that's all the flights where they are flying today from the Terminal 1. I think the Terminal 1 is the oldest in whole entire Changi airport. Anyways, Terminal 1 is directly connected to the Jewel, so you just have to cross the street and you can go to the Jewel. Just interesting fact. Thank you, Singapore, for having me this time, and I will see you next time. Also, thank you so much all of my friends who I met and some of you who I didn't met. See you next time. By the way, Terminal 1 I think have the best view of the airport itself and the planes and everything, and this is all from the lounges, like this one, actually cool, and this is free for everybody. Today flying by Scoot. Boarding time. Welcome to Malaysia again. So yeah, this is the Kuala Lumpur Terminal 2, KLAI 2. It's a little bit late and I'm a little bit tired. I'm just gonna show you how to get to the city in the different way than usual, because there are many ways to get to the city. Actually, hold on, I'm gonna grab some Auntie's End first. They have a pretty alright stuff, little bit hungry. The original salted costs you 5 ringgits, not $5, 5 ringgits. So yeah, and Touch and Go is very good app, by the way, to pay here. It's so easier to coming back to the places where you've been so many times, like Touch and Go payment. I don't need to even bring the cash. Of course I have some cash, but I always keep it in every currency. Anyway, pretzel before I gonna go home. I'm gonna come back to the topic. Cheers. It's nice. Outside it's actually pretty busy. I'm gonna tell you, pretty busy. It's just middle of the week. Also another thing, I'm gonna go here I to Putrajaya. And then from Putrajaya, I'm gonna change into Yellow Line brand new metro station. What was closed, they open in March. So I'm gonna go to the city center to KLCC from this line, nearly directly. And I'm gonna show you how much it costs and how easy it is. Just something new since I've been here last time, even it was just like 4 months ago. But today I'm gonna try the option with KLA Express, but not entirely. Overall, this is probably the fastest way how to get to KL Central. But I go to Putrajaya for 940 ringgit. If you wanna go to KL Central, it's gonna cost you 55 ringgits, and Grab gonna cost you 65. So only if you are one person is worth it to go. If you are two, better take a car, even it's maybe longer. But now is the new choice. This is the huge map of the transportation, all the trains, what they are in Kuala Lumpur. The map is actually pretty big and complicated. So we are here, KLAI2. Normally you could go to the KL Central where all of the stations going, right? But I'm gonna go just to Putrajaya Cyberjaya, and I'm gonna change to the brand new Putrajaya Central Yellow Line, and I'm gonna go all the way around like this one, like this one, like this one to Ampang Park, because I'm staying actually around here. Only one station, you can just walk a little bit, and it's KLCC Twin Towers. And this one gonna cost you only few ringgit, not sure yet how much, but I'm gonna let you know. Whatever it's gonna be cost in total, but I can tell you already straightforward right now, if you are just single traveler like me right now, you can save approximately 50 ringgits on this. So it's cool. If both of you, if I will be with Winny today, definitely I will take a car. Anyways, my train is arriving. This train have a driver, by the way. Okay, let's get inside. And this is how does it look like inside the train. Oh yeah, you know, regular train. I used to make many videos, just wanna make a quick shot. Outside is dark anyway, so you cannot see much. Alright, and I just arrived to Putrajaya Cyberjaya. Normally I make up videos here, but now I change into the brand new metro station. By the way, quite a lot of people coming now. I believe everybody or some of them is going exactly where I'm going. They even the stewardess from the Malaysia airline. So let's see what we can make today. I'm also curious how we gonna end up on this. Pintu 1, Emertilla Lu 1 or something like that. This is the way. Well, they don't using English for some reason. That's weird, but let's try. Yeah, I can see Putrajaya Central already. Putrajaya Central Yellow Lane. This is where you have to go. I believe I'm the one of the very first non-Malaysian person, non-Asian person who making video this trick how to get in the low budget way to, to the center. Alright, that's the station, brand new, very empty, seems like deserted. Machines to buy the ticket. I need to buy the card because I give to my friend my card of Metro because, long story. Yes, Luis, but you never use it anyways. Looks fancy, brand new. I will get myself the new card. Anyways, let's find out how much gonna be a ticket. What is it? That will be Ampang, so A. And then will be Ampang Park, I think. And will be 620 ringgit. The system online is broken, so all online payments, even from the card or whatever, doesn't work. I need to buy physically ticket actually right now. Let's go. But there is question. Ampang Park, it's 620, right? And then you come back, Ampang Park, this one PLEKG. I don't know what's the difference. And this one is 440. What is the difference? So yeah, the problem is the payment system, all the debit cards, the online the system doesn't work. Just see. What is speaking? Something, the stairs talking here. But the guy who in the reception, the kiosk was very informative. As always, this is Southeast Asian hospitality. Just PTSD, I just making this video first day and doesn't work. And I don't have a card for tomorrow, but I will do it tomorrow. It will be complicated because I cannot use the bus. So I will have to go to the train station first. I'm gonna make it anyways. And I think I'm the only one person on this train station. It's brand new, looks nice, fresh and everything. But yeah, not many people here. Basically, this is the first station and this is all the names. You can go up to Kuala Damansara. Oh my god, my train arrived and it's also new. And there's literally one oh yes, somebody is here. Anyways, local time is nearly 11. I have to go before they're gonna close. They shut down at 12. She's actually working here. She said, no, don't come here. This is end of the line. On the other side. So, but somebody is here actually. Alright, no worries. I'm not alone here. Anyways, doesn't really matter. Recently, I really like to travel in general. I like it always like this, but I like to film my travel journey and I like to make it complicated. Normally, I will just pay 65 ringgit, take a car. I will be already sleeping in my hotel room, but I'm still in Putrajaya, you know what I mean? But this is like a part of experience, part of enjoyment, part of, I make a video for you guys and some of you may be interested. Total cost of coming to the city from airport gonna be 15 ringgits. That's actually impressive in my opinion. Not really necessarily as you have to do it, but if you need to, if you want to, it's pretty cool. And anyway, yeah, I have a good content today. By the way, I took this fare for 440 ringgit. I hope so it's not gonna be an issue because I don't really understand what is the difference between 450, 440 and 640. What is the difference? I don't know. They have a screens 10 minutes. No, arriving right now and 10 minutes another one. So it's every 10 minutes. Oh, the train is going there, coming from there. This is probably the same train just doing the loop there. They changed the trail tracks and this is the same train actually. That's the pretty new looking fancy. You have the lights. This is the brand new train. Here we go. So cold. Ooh, aircon is very cold. They have a window so at daytime you can watch. This is like all the trains. Literally like I think there are only 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 people in the whole entire train. So now I'm gonna tell you, I'm going from Putrajaya Central. So many loud talks. All of those stations up to Ampang Park over there. And then you can change and going one station to KLCC, by the way. Or you can go directly to these lanes, the green one, or change in Tan Razak Exchange. This is next to where I used to live in the Cochrane, the one station, and go to Bukit Bintang 2 stations. Or you can go to Kuala Damansara. So cool.
Exit to the right door.
I'm gonna tell you, there is no people on those stations. This is already Cyberjaya Utara. Well, I don't think so. Anybody going from Cyberjaya to Kuala Lumpur at this time. I just wanna show you. They open the door. I just quickly gonna get out. Nope. nobody, just me here. So yeah, I just proved I'm only one sitting here. There are two people in this train, I think. For somebody of you who first time coming here may be scary, but it's not. Alright, arrived to the Ampang Park. There are like 7 people or 8 people here, not that bad. But this line is really good thing. Okay, let's see if I can get a card. The guy told me as the Putrajaya line, the yellow cannot, but the LRT, the pink lane, can. So hopefully I can make it. Anyways, there is no direct connection to the LRT. There is a huge sign and you have to go outside. There is the roof with the lights, so don't worry about that. There is Intercontinental Hotel over there as well. But yeah, you cannot on the one ticket anyway. It's very quiet. And my last bus is in 8 minutes, so no chance I'm gonna make it. Oh, late night walks in Kuala Lumpur. Good to be back. Tomorrow I'm gonna make a video in Kuala Lumpur. Oh, hold on, there is the view over there of the Twin Towers. I'm nearly in the KLCC. Okay, that's the KLCC, Bank of China, Intercontinental. The main street, LRT station is over there. I have maybe 5 minutes. Not, I can take this bad boy actually. I have already up for that. I'm gonna tell you, they make it pretty nice here. It's like a clean, neat, nice. It's a little bit of walking, but well, everywhere walking. All of this when I'm working right now. Last time was under the construction. This is the Ampang Park LRT station, where was the big fence here. Me and Winny used to going to our condominium from here. I remember my hotel is just also not so far. I will just quickly get the card, because basically this is the bus station here, and the bus 303 and 300 as I remember is coming, but it's really before midnight, so I have to be really in rush. Touch and go is temporarily suspended. Nobody is even here in the office. That's not good. That will be the problem, because I cannot use the bus and I need to using bus for 2 or 3 stations to come here or to KLCC. I hope so. It's only today some error. And I don't know if I can use the debit card, but my debit cards are not contactless anyway, so that will be the problem. Well, this is it. And this is so sad. This is my last bus today and I cannot go because I cannot pay for it. Winnie had one, but I forgot to take it. It's unbelievable. Bye bye bus. Bye bye. Anyways, except that, my whole entire trip to come from KLAI2, from Kuala Lumpur International Airport up to the KLCC, to the Kuala Lumpur City Center. This is what the KLCC stands for. Cost me only 14 ringgits exactly. This is good value, but it takes so much time. I arrived at 9 to Kuala Lumpur. It's almost midnight. It took me 3 hours. I know I stopped for making videos and stuff, but 3 hours. So is it worth it? Is it not? Well, 50 ringgits difference. You can answer yourself. But no, don't worry. I changed my mind. I'm gonna wait for the crab. 10 minutes. I already ordered the car. It's only 5 ringgits. So anyway, it's not about the money. It's just actually about everything, about the content, how to come here. Of course, by bus will be quicker and cheaper. It doesn't really matter. This is like a concept how you can really get to the city center of Kuala Lumpur from the airport on budget. It takes you a little bit more time, but if you're a single traveler and you are really on budget, you can do it. For me, that was the pretty good good fun. I kinda like it. I kinda enjoyed it. It was the good fun and a lot of new experiences. Now you know, I know, and well, I have a nice content, and I tried a new line, waiting for the car, and I will see you in the hotel. It's nearly midnight. Alright, I'm in the room, arrived after midnight, so it's another day actually. My room is pretty nice. This is actually a residence. Actually, you have a little kitchen here. Here's the induction kit, fully equipped. There's little living room with the sofa and the TV and the additional seating. Even the painting, it looks like a Balinese painting. This is the Oakwood residence, so I think the owners are Indonesian, because in Bali they have it. And there is my room. There's another TV, so I have 2 TVs. That's cool. Bed, I asked for the king, obviously king because I'm alone. But anyway, why I would have 2 beds? And then of course the view, but it's night. I'm not gonna show you anything. And I also quickly gonna show you the situation. Bathtub, shower, and well, obviously toilet and sink and the mirror and all of this stuff. So cool. Good night. See you tomorrow. I made the previous shot so chaotic, so I show you. This is the kitchen. This is the living room situation, the painting, additional chair. Just quickly, don't waste your time. Not sure if you're interested about the stuff like this one. The bed, I had a nap, that's why it's already messy. Pretty tired. Working desk, this is very important, next to the window, TV, and quickly, that's the wardrobe, and the sink, toilet, shower, like this one, and bathtub. That's it.